Good evening from Zermatt. We're finally down from Matterhorn. We took the train down and we are just casually strolling through the village. And Zermatt is a nice little village. No cars are allowed here. Whatever cars you see here are all electric. People who come from outside, they are not allowed to get their cars inside the village. And this particular street that I'm walking on has nice bars, pubs, restaurants. You can shop for clothes, Swiss watches, a lot of things. I just wanted to give you guys a short little tour of this village. Every day at 9 a.m. and I believe 5 p.m. About 50 mountain goats pass through the street, and this morning we were very lucky to encounter those goats. So yeah, this morning we were very lucky to see that basically herd of goats marching through this main street. It was amazing. It was a funny sight, to be honest. And there was this cleaning truck following those goats, and they were just cleaning all the shit the goats were dropping. That was funny. I think 17th of July there is a street party on this particular street, and there's going to be a DJ, and a lot of people will be on the street just eating, having a good time. Supposedly it gets very busy during street parties in Zermatt. There are some amazing restaurants out here. Last night we actually had dinner over here in Molino, Italian restaurant. We had some really delicious pizzas and pizza and what else? I think pasta, yeah. Pizza and pasta.